All right, everyone, a quick update on pangolin here. So, I want you guys to be aware here that watch the channel and love pangolin here. Let me turn my music down in my ears. As long as we're below the 3.2 here at 3.1, which you can see I did kind of adjust this just a hair here, but I really don't want to pull it any further than it is now. So, you are currently at 2.9. Any lower than you are right now, which it doesn't look the greatest. You can see we closed below this line here, which does have a few touches on these wicks back here. So if you do not get back over about 30 cents up to 31, back over the 382, our green line here, and get some momentum going back up, there's a very good chance that Penguin's about to break down here, which it already hit the point 0.5, the top of our box here at 23. But the fact that we're getting stuck here back at that 382 and ultimately the bottom of our bull flag pattern here could spell a move back down and a breakdown for PNG here, and dropping back down 18 and even down about 27% back down to the macro 3 at 21. So as of right now on PNG, it does appear that it wants to break down below this pattern here, and we'll just kind of see what happens. But like I said, if you get back over 30 to 31, then there is a chance we're going to get back inside the pattern here, and we could potentially break out back over 38.7 and then go higher than that. Now, we've been looking for a very long time at this bull flag pattern, as we did in the past back here at the triangle pattern where we had that massive move up. But the market since then, has other plans, of course, and we'll see what happens. If you haven't watched it, I did make a Bitcoin update, and it looks like Bitcoin's going down to 50 to 48K. So, we may still have some more room down to go. So if you're bullish on pangolin for this cycle, which I know a lot of you are, then just look for these discount prices here. That's all we can really do here. So PNG, instead of being bullish like we want it to be right now, it's going to come down and we're going to get these discount prices anywhere from 19 to 27, 28% down to these levels here. And then we'll just kind of take it from there. What it may do if it breaks down here is come down to these levels into our green box, get a little bounce back up for resistance, and then that's when it kind of just falls off the table. And we could end up getting a very good discount if you're bullish on PNG here, for this cycle before it decides to go right back up into the moon at some point in the future, which, if you haven't done your research on pangolin, I would suggest go do that, because a lot of the supply is in circulation. Very good project here. A lot of connections. This one's going to be huge, in my opinion, this cycle. And you can see, even if it comes all the way down to that 236, all the way down back to 10 cents, you would still be making technically the higher lows here and still be macro bullish here. So just keep that in mind. Now, as for how high pangolin is going to go here, if it comes back up to the previous high at $5, you're looking at a $1 billion market cap on pangolin. And let me go ahead and adjust this to where we are today. And you can see, just to come back up to the previous high, maybe it breaks a little above, a little below. If it comes back up to the previous high, you are looking at almost a 17x here. So almost a 1600% move to that level here. And if it's going to make a new high, which I know a lot of people ask all the time, do you think this cycle, if this or that, is going to make a new high? I have no idea. But all I can do is show you the levels and point out potentially where those things could end up. So if it makes a new high up to the 1272 at $20, that is a $4.4 billion market cap on PNG. And you can see about a little over a 67x from today on your investment. And of course, if it comes down lower, back down to the macro 3 here, you're looking at almost a 100x, a 95, a little over a 95x on your investment here. And then if it comes all the way back down to the 236 at 10, then you're looking at on the doorstep of 200x on your investment for PNG to make it to a $4.4 billion market cap. So what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.